Hey, let me show you the best features of your Huawei FreeBuds 5. So first of all, we are going to start from the settings when you are in the AI Live application, and here we can enable the low audio latency. So if you have this issue when you are watching something and there is a delay between what you see and what you hear, you can fix it by turning on the low audio latency. It's also known as the game mode in some earbuds. So that's a really great feature if you are watching videos or playing games on your phone and you have this issue. The next very useful option, it's the gestures. So in this earbuds, we can find the touch sensor located right here. Also, we can see it on the preview. And we've got a couple of the gestures. We've got double tap, triple tap, press and hold, and the swipe. And honestly, my favorite is the swipe. We can adjust the volume by swiping up and down where we are listening to some media or watching videos. Another one is the double tap. You can set for the left or the right pad to turn the next and the previous song. And that's really cool when you're, for example, in the gym and your phone is far away from you, and you can simply use the switcher between without reaching to your phone. That's pretty cool. On the triple tap, there's also this next and the previous song, so you can set them instead of the double tap. But when you can double tap, why use the triple tap, right? And on the press and the hold, the only thing that you can do is actually to enable and disable the calls. Another very useful option, for me the most important, is the LDAC audio codec. So when you switch from the connection quality to the sound quality, then you can take a look for the settings, and here you can find that your earbuds using the LDAC, the high quality audio codec. So right now the quality of the sound will be increased. And also you can change the sound equalizer presets between the default bass boost, treble boost and the voices, but also you can create your own by tapping on the plus, and here you can set the equalizer preset to your own preferences. Then tap save, and we can quickly switch between them by selecting with our finger. Also, the feature that is useful, it's the HD calls that you can turn on right here. It's below the sound quality. Next, and actually the last option, it's definitely the noise cancellation. So when you input your earbuds in your ears, or basically cover the sensor, there's the noise cancellation, and here we've got the modes. So we've got the dynamic, cozy and the general. So the last one is like the strongest level of the noise cancellation, and it's the best for the noisy places. And yeah, that's basically it. That's all my favorite features of the Huawei FreeBuds 5. Right now, please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye!